We live out here at the Chunky meet right now. You already know it's been a while, pretty much a year since the last one. It has been a year since the last one, but yeah, you already know, man. I ain't got much to say. I'm just amazed by the crowd here right now because it's bigger than I thought already. We got all the homies over there. Shout out everyone that came through right now. We got that boy Miguel_Beamer right here.
What's up?
What up? What up? What up?
What's up?
We got
Isaac.
What's the name?
Isaac, bro.
We got that boy Isaac right here. Tell him, damn, that boy a hyper. We got Texas Tortuga in the cut right here.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. And the one and only who you go by? What's your name?
Brooklyn.
Hey man, that boy Pipe Flutes. It's been a minute. It's been too long. What up? What up, bro?
Hey, my boy Pipe Flutes.
That boy Pipe Flutes made it. It's been too long since you've been here.
Long time no see, bro.
Hell yeah.
Hey, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Hey, what up, man? Marco, nice to meet you.
Johnny, nice to meet you, man.
Damn, that boy Pipe. Hey, where Garrett at?
Oh, he right there. There you go.
Oh shit. That boy Garrett. That boy Garrett, Chunky family over here. You gotta let him know. What up, bro? What up, what up, bro? Hell yeah. We got the Chunky family out here right now.
Where the 240?
Over there, dog. Way over there. What you think, Pipe Flutes? Fuck it, you take control of the camera. You take control of that hook. It's all you. It's all you, dog.
Yeah, we live in action. Got everybody, you know what I'm saying, out here. He killing the fucking game. The 240, yeah. I mean, I like this too.
Yeah.
This is clean.
Cat Dip Services right there.
This your, oh yeah, I remember you.
Hey, hey, look who it is. Look who it is.
Hold on.
Look at it.
Oh my god.
Ugliest motherfucker
Hey,
here.
my boy Marco. That boy Ricky. What's up, bro?
Hey, don't get close to the 240, bro. I got the keys on me this time.
Said what?
I got the keys on me this time.
Don't let it on me. What's
Whoa,
up,
whoa, whoa.
That boy in the. Hold up. That's them Turner boys over here. The Turner over here, bro. They pulled up. That boy Piggyback 96. But he didn't bring Jesus. He didn't bring Jesus.
He's in Kansas.
I know. I just like giving you shit, bro. That boy over here. What up, Christian? What up, Piggyback?
What up, bro?
Diego?
Were you at 4 like 2 days ago?
Huh?
Were you at 4 like 2 days ago?
What you mean? Yeah, I was. Hold on. Oscar Baron. What up, bro? What you laughing at?
You missing Oscar.
You think I'm a fucking joke? That boy Gio. Boy, he pulling up too clean right now. That boy Lucy. What up, bro? Hey, this already popping, bro. Bro, what the hell? That boy fucking with that 2JZ GTE.
Let me see this.
that was clean.
Side, don't look on that side.
Did you fucking scratch?
Scratch on that side. No.
That boy sitting sideways over here. He's sitting sideways.
Don't go to that side.
Damn. Oh shit.
I'm not even lying, bro.
Damn.
What did you hit, faggot?
My mailbox.
Bro, this. Hey, get that.
Hey, what's up, bro?
Hey, I'm gonna put some Mike Jones.
Hey, Oscar Huerta. What's up? Hey, park next to the Turner boys right there. Little American Muscle. You and Jonathan right there, man. Park next to your homeboy. Just go around. The Turner boys are scared now. They're shaking. Hey, we got Mr. Krabs over here.
I'm trying to run it.
Huh? I'm trying to run you, homie.
Where you at?
You all talk on the snap, but I don't see you running.
It
Like,
ain't-
you feel me?
it ain't today.
Nah. It don't work like that. It don't work like that. You know what I'm saying?
Oh.
All right. Well, if you need me, I'll be around here, Mr. Krabs. You feel?
Alright.
We got a chino right here, bro. My brother right here. You feel me? That boy Mario over here trying to run me out of business.
Damn.
Got his own little setup. YouTube channel for Turner coming soon. I got y'all. My boy Luis over here. You already know. Pero Leo. I got all y'all right here, man. Shout out Turner.
That's Truco, right?
That's Truco, man. Truco with the Hustlers, and we got Jose right here. He's still tipping, you already know.
Damn!
Hey, shout out my boy Truco.
What's up, bro?
Y Ángel también. What up, bro? It's been a minute.
You wild.
Hey, that boy Jose pulling up.
What's up, dog?
Did I break your neck?
Where's the I saw you were like, gotta say it, bro.
Hey, the guy behind the camera, what you got to say about the turnout right now?
I ain't gotta say nothing. We got Truco.
None?
We got that boy Truco out here.
This is the guy that
It's been a
said, my
minute.
tío Chucho,
He
my
is the
tío
main
Paco.
One of the
That's the
man of
homie
the
right
night
there.
here.
Here's the OBS, the hood looking clean.
Damn, Truco cannot
My boy Jose,
bro.
some fucking V-dubs, some... Y'all gotta show up, bro. There's like 50 cars already. It's lit. I thought this was Snapchat for a second.
OVO Game 6. It's been a minute, boy. What's going on? It's been a minute. Damn, boy, I haven't seen your ass in a minute. It's been a while. Fuck, man.
This is crazy.
Hell yeah. What's
Oh,
up?
what's the aftermath?
Who knows at this point,
Looking
though?
like
Who knows? Hey, that boy Joe got all the attention. Hell yeah. You know what I'm saying? We already got the cops here, dog. You know what I'm saying? Hell no, boy. We got the cops out here already. Damn, what took so long?
Why y'all doing all that?
Shit, that's the Turner boys. I fuck with that though, you feel me?
Oh, shit.
You gotta watch out, dog.
That was a close one.
You put them at the wrong time though. We got the fucking cops here right now. You know what I'm saying?
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 You
What's
feel
up,
me? Been a minute. Hell yeah. Yeah, we good. Hey,
All of them pulled up
hey, we good, man. We good.
Get my boy Richard over here.
Bitch ass nigga say.
He said we good. He said we
Yeah,
good.
they said we had a. Hey, get him.
Let me tell them straight.
Tell him, bro.
Alright, so what happened was they got 8 phone calls reporting 40 shots fired in the parking lot. This dude walked out with a strapped AR already cocked, ready to go on us. We told him it was just a car, and then he said, alright.
Got a hand one though.
Free shit to the people. You feel me?
It's a thank you for being with Chunky, bro.
Over here now. Over here.
All right, here.
Over here.
All right, we handing them out real quick. Show them what we're handing out real quick, cause they don't know.
Hey.
What is that? Do-rags.
We got a
All right,
two-pack
thank y'all for
man.
showing up, bro. Thank y'all, thank you.
You feel me?
I didn't get one.
It's a two-pack, dude.
He said condoms.
Trying to get one?
Hey, no, you know what I mean? Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Know what I'm saying?
My hair be all fucked up.
Know what I'm saying?
I still need help. I have chronic issues.
Oh, I needed one of these.
Wait, give me one. I need one.
Know what I'm saying? Hey, you actually probably do need one, dog.
I'm gonna put it on.
And I don't need
Know what I'm saying?
handout.
Yeah, I gotta
All
get
right. Who else we missed right now?
the dudes over there.
Shit, do we even know?
Nah, the dudes on the left end. Know what I'm saying?
Get you one. Go get you one.
Know what I'm saying? Hey!
Go get you one. Let me
Tell
see.
him
Let me
subscribe.
see.
Tell him, no, tell
This is
him.
brought to you by Wave Cap. Go
Yo!
get you one. Here you go.
Know
Hold
what
on,
I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? Hell no. Know what I'm saying?
Ain't nobody gonna know nothing. So when I fall asleep, just hold my head with you.
Know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Damn, give me your money. Mug me.
What's
Oh,
good?
hell no.
What's good, bro? What's good?
What's up?
What's up?
Hell no, bro.
I'm finna shoot you.
That's what that's used for? Yes, sir.
Thank you. Shout out. Thank you.
My boy Chowder.
What the hell did he buy that?
On IG, y'all seen us. So I had to hook up my boy Chowder
What's up?
with the wave cap, you feel me?
The wave cap.
Shout out Chowder. There you go.
Hey,
Get it.
right there. I'm riding with you. I'm riding.
Get it.
Heading to the drift spot right now. 4-door GTR leading everyone. Got the whole fucking crowd way back there. It's hard to see. DLC driving.
Yeah, what's up?
We out here at the drift spot with that boy 4-door GTR.
Nigga, that was all clutch, fool.
We finna watch everyone slide and watch the GTR slide. God damn, what you think, 4-door GTR?
Show it out.
Motherfucking figure eight's going.
Hey, pipe loose. Hey, this that. Hey,
I want to see some fucking figure eight.
there you go. Damn, that fool in there, hoe.
I'm gonna ride around here.
Damn, that boy BBK here and then reversed on us. Damn. Damn, boy.
Give me them RPS ones coming back. I was gonna buy that hoe. I see it off road, but not no more.
You were gonna buy that hoe?
Not no more.
Huh? Milwaukee Impact, huh?
Wait, you put the wheels in there?
We're ready to slide it. Hey, you about to slide the shit out of that hole or what?
This nigga about to slide the shit out.
He got the spares. Shit. He about to go in. We about to change them out. He's about to get home with.
I was sparking me, bro.
Oh,
No, that's how we do them.
It is what it is, Playboy.
Man, that's how my shit got that mohawk thing looking shit.
What you think, Andy?
That shit, I give that whole 8. I seen worse.
What's going on?
Alright, so that boy Marco just did some sliding that is on me. Hey, how you feel, dog? How you feel?
That's
for
it for now, because y'all hoes ain't paying for my tires, you feel me?
Hell no.
Hell yeah.
Hell no. The active peer pressure, right?
Yes, sir.
Alright, how did it feel, dog?
That hoe was fun as fuck.
Shit, bro, you should have put wheels on that.
My boy Oscar about to go out there. Oscar and DOC.
Damn, Roman, he beat me to it. I never got a ride along.
Hey, yo, shout out for everyone for coming through right now. I'm running out of battery life. You see right here, man. Last of the camera battery life, bro. Final message.
Hey, he might have to take the crown for Drift King. I just seen how he smoked this whole.
Hey, we're finna catch all y'all later, man. Till next time. Shout out to everyone.
Hey, hold up. Thank you for showing up. You know, we finna do it big next year. So far, thanks for everyone, all the subscribers. It's been cool. Thanks a lot.